Hello students, I am Mom Rose. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell for you to be updated on my upcoming videos. Happy learning! In this video, you will learn how to multiply and divide integers using two easy rules. Integers is a set of whole numbers and negative numbers. To visualize that one, we have here the number line. We have here 0 and all numbers to its left are called negative integers while the numbers to its right are called positive integers. Now let us familiarize the operation symbols. In multiplication, we have here the usual multiplication symbol, which looks like letter X. But in higher mathematics, we rarely use this symbol because it could be taken as a variable. Instead, we can use the dot operator and the parentheses. While in division, we can see the usual division symbol or the fraction bar. Now let us have a quick practice on multiplying and dividing regular numbers. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 3 times 6 is equal to 18. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. 8 times 9 is equal to 72. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. Now how about we multiply or divide positive and negative integers? We only have to remember two simple rules. Number 1 is, if we have the same sign, then our result is always positive. For example, positive times positive is equal to positive, negative times negative is equal to positive. We also have positive divided by positive is equal to positive, and negative divided by negative is equal to positive. Our second rule is, if we have different signs, then our result is negative. That is, positive multiplied to negative is equal to negative. Negative multiplied to positive is equal to negative. Or, positive divided by negative is equal to negative, and negative divided by positive is negative. Let us try out the following examples. Number 1, positive 5 times negative 3. The given here is one positive and one negative number. Since they have different signs, our answer will be negative 15. Next is negative 3 times negative 6. As you can see, we have here two negative numbers, and since they have the same sign, our result is always positive. Therefore, the answer here is positive 18. Number 3, 4 times 2. This is like multiplying regular numbers. Our answer here is positive 8. And lastly, number 4, we have here negative 7 times positive 3. As you can see, our given here have different signs. Our expected result then would be negative 21. Let's have examples on dividing integers. Number 5, 15 divided by negative 3. As you can see, we have here two different signs, one positive and one negative. Therefore, our expected answer is negative 5. Number 6, 16 divided by 4. This is like our usual division. Therefore, our answer here is positive 4. Number 7, negative 8 divided by positive 8. As you can see here, we have two different signs, one negative and one positive. Therefore, our expected answer here is negative 1. Lastly, we have here negative 54 divided by negative 6. We have here 2 the same sign, which is negative. Therefore, our expected answer here is positive. This is positive 9. Now let us apply what we have learned by answering word problems involving multiplication and division of integers. Let's start with number 1. A test has 20 questions. The test awards 3 points if the answer is correct and takes away 1 point if the answer is incorrect. A student answered 5 questions incorrectly. Letter A, how many points did the student gain? And letter B, how many points did he lose? To answer letter A, let us first get the number of correct answers. That is 20 items minus 5 incorrect answers. The answer to this is equal to 15. That means to say that the student got 15 correct answers. Now the test awards 3 points for every correct answer. Since this student got 15 correct answers, we will be multiplying 15 by 3 to get the number of points that the student gained. 15 times 3 is equal to 45. Therefore, the student gained 45 points. Let us now proceed to letter B. It is stated in the problem that the student answered 5 questions incorrectly. And for every incorrect answer, the test takes away 1 point, which is represented by negative 1. Therefore, we will be multiplying 5 by negative 1. Since we have here 2 different signs, positive 5 and negative 1, our expected answer here should be negative. Our answer is negative 5, which means to say that the student lost 5 points. Number 2. Over the past 7 days, Mr. Cho found that the temperature outside had dropped a total of 35 degrees. Find the average change in temperature each day. To answer any problem, we have to get first our given. We have here 7 days and 35 degrees. 35 degrees can be represented as negative 35 since it pertains to the total temperature drop, while 7 days can be represented as positive 7. Since we are to find the average change in temperature each day, we will be dividing the total temperature drop to the number of days it occurred. That is, negative 35 divided by positive 7. Since we have here 2 different signs, negative and positive, our expected answer is negative, negative 5. Therefore, the temperature dropped to an average of 5 degrees daily. Special shout out to my awesome friends and students, RJ Sineneng, Buddy Veronelia and their channel Chada Cagayan Vines, Remar Tumapon, Eric Digamo, and Aldrin Maglacion. That's all for today. Thank you and see you on our next video lesson.